Hey guys, new face here. I'm Hannah. I'm a van guru here. I'm not Dawson, but don't worry, he'll be back. I'm making my debut, gonna do my first walkthrough video, and we have an awesome van. I picked out the one I wanted to do, so it's really nice. It's a 2020 high roof LIV. There's not any lift or suspension upgrades on this van, but it does have the Ultra Toil wheels and then the Falcon 225 all-terrain tires. Has the 12-foot Vandoit roof rack and the Thule awning, front light bar, and then you have your passenger side light bar for any nighttime activities outside. If you're cooking outside, the sun's already gone down. Super helpful to use that thing. And just continuing on the outside of the van, there's not a ton more to show, but you do get this little buffalo with the van, so that's really fun. But it has a buddy, and that we can go on the inside of the van. Good transition. Here's his buddy. So this van comes with not one, but two little buffaloes. I don't know what, I don't think we need to keep looking at the van because that should sell it. But just to go on the interior a little bit, this is a LIV model, so it has the hydraulic bed, which, as you guys probably know, goes all the way up to that headliner, so the bottom of those hanging cabinets in there, and is also paired with the gear slide. So this can hold up to 750 pounds, distributed evenly, has a few different locking points, so if you're a biker, this is really handy for doing that. It's also handy just for loading your luggage. My favorite thing though is on a warm day, bringing my laptop outside, sitting on one of these and working outside, or you can pull it out even farther, open the doors a little more, use it as a table, cook outside, throw some lawn chairs on the side. A lot of great uses to this thing. Looking at the power system here, it's 400 amp hours of lithium. So that will get you just a really comfortable amount of battery. You can run your air conditioning on that without being plugged into shore power for like 2 to 4 nights, depending on how you're running, what else you have plugged in, before you have to recharge the van. So it's a really great power system for weekend trips. If you're gonna be somewhere hot, gives you a comfortable amount of battery. And then you have one set of rocker switches back here. If you guys have watched our other videos, you're probably familiar with what these do, but just some different controls for components of the van. And you have more of these by the slider door and by the driver and passenger seat. Water system. We've got our 6-gallon water system in here with the hot water heater and the water pump. We've got clean water there, and then the gray water is probably in another jerry can up there. Your 15-foot coil hose, you can bring that out here, wash your bike off, rinse your dogs off, whatever you need. Take an outdoor shower. You can get that set up in this van as well. But I think that's all. Back here, we can go to the inside of the van, the living room area. Right now, there's a Lagun swivel table in here, so this can be added if you want it. It can be kept in here if you purchase this van and you want to keep it. It does have leather seat upgrades, and then the kitchen pod is in here currently with our smallest Dometic cooler on a slide out. You also have a folding leaf table if you want extra counter space without taking up a full another row of space of modules. But if you wanted to switch this setup out for a different module setup, that's also an option. If you wanted to have 2 modules wide with drawers or a big cooler, that would be an option. And then they've got 2 hanging cabinets in here currently, but as you guys know, you can kind of hang stuff anywhere, so you could add more of these or take them away, add hooks, do a little bit of customization as far as that goes. And then they also have a jump seat in here right now, so if you do have a third passenger, you can seat them there comfortably. Move this folding leaf out of the way, put the headrest back, or if you don't plan to have passengers, that can be taken out easily as well. We've got your air conditioning unit here, and then the max air fan. Both of these are really good if you have dogs that you're going to leave in the van or just to stay comfortable overnight as you're sleeping. And then you have your controls for all of your electronics over here, your S-bar heater, thermostat, and air conditioning controls. And I think that's it. Lane, did I miss anything? Okay. Okay, that's it. If you guys have any questions, we'll put a link to contact a van guru, either myself, Dawson, or Billy. So contact us if you're interested in this van and want to know more about it. We also love doing factory tours. So if you want to come see this van in person, definitely hit us up for that. And we'd love to have you guys in and meet the team and see the little buffaloes on this van. So that is it from me.